here and the mail ID, the mail, you have option here to open the Fiori. This is the link for Fiori app. So you can open from here. Otherwise, from the system, you want to open the Fiori from the system, you can type here this T code. That is T code is UI2/FLP. The T code is UI2/FLP. Otherwise, you can open from this link also. You can open from this link also. Can open from this link also. Here also open the Fiori app. Okay. So I'll first show the how to open.
Explain once again.
To open the Fiori app, open the Fiori Launchpad. One thing you can use in your mail when you are that server link mail. Here you can see one option here to link the Fiori here. So you need not open the S/4HANA system. You can log into Fiori from here also. Okay, you can log into Fiori from here. I don't follow.
Yes. So you
can open. Otherwise, if from the system you want to open, you can go for this T code. That is this one UI2/FLP. You can open from here also.
In which mail the link is shared?
So in your server link. So you got the mail for server link, no? How you got the server link? The remote server ID. How did you get?
I got password and ID.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
I don't.
Okay, then you are not having the thing to do it. So you can open from system only. If you are not getting, then it's not for you. You can open from the system only. So system type here T code. Type here T code is this one /n/UI2/FLP. It will open the Fiori.
Can you please ping that T code in the chat?
Okay, fine. So from here type put the T code, then enter. So you'll get some. First time when you're doing, you'll get some message like not safe like that message. Ignore everything, continue, and come to this screen. So initially we will get some warning messages, not safe to proceed like that. You can ignore those errors, continue, and you'll get this. You'll get this screen. Okay, then use a regular user password. Your user password for SAP S/4HANA.
It's giving the error not able to reach. Can't reach this page.
Can you share the screen?
Yeah, let me try. This one.
Okay, then you got to check with the. So same problem when you first log in the problem, same problem for you. So you have to check with Richard, are you there?
Yeah. So is that the authorization error again?
Not authorization.
No.
This basically they're not to open the VPN because of VPN that I think. Initially we get a message problem. No, I think that's a problem. I think.
Oh no, but if it's Fiori, you can try through the web, I think, or that guide that I shared you, right?
Yeah, in that, so I showed a link. They told I showed this one. Can see my screen, no? I showed this one.
Can you just ping that link which you shown? Maybe
Okay,
that link will be.
So one second. Let me check from this screen. Okay, so I'll give you here. So let me check this first. We'll check and I'll send that. Okay, correct only. So okay, so I'll send this link.
But did he ping here?
I'll put it here. I'll put in the chat box. I'll put it there. Okay, no?
I don't see here.
I'm putting here.
Okay. It's again showing the
problem with your administrator and the authorization and your system
No, again, it is requires some administrative
Yeah, that's
access.
it. Yeah, okay.
Ashish, if you click in the mail, you got one link with password to access the SAP logon, right? If you open that document, it is showing some administrative setup we need to do. We need to change some host. So Syed, who is going to help on this? Because it needs some, let me share the screen, sorry. Can I please?
Yeah.
See, if you can see, you can see?
Yeah.
See, SAP Fiori Launchpad access. To log on to SAP Fiori Launchpad from your local PC, you need to modify your local host file. The following describes how to modify the Windows local file, uploading the local host file. So open the notepad and then file open. And as administrator, we need to open a notepad as administrator. We don't have access to administrator password credentials.
Sayed, are you there?
Let us see 1 minute. If it allows me to open text document, notepad. No, sorry. It is notepad, no? We don't have notepad on our file.
Now click on your type here to search.
Notepad open as administrative. Run as administrator. It's launching something.
Yeah, just give it a minute.
No. It is asking for the admin password.
Maybe Sayed can assign someone from the
Yeah.
team.
Yeah, so Syed is not on this call. You can drop an email to Syed.
Sure, we will do that.
Sure.
Okay, can you just copy that and
No,
write
I
an email
will.
to Sayed? Yeah.
I will write mail to Syed. Okay.
Yeah. Thanks. Okay, Shekhar, we can continue.
Yeah, okay, so I'll continue. You can so get that and you can check that.
Yeah.
So you can close your screen. Sharing can.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay. So I'll show the Fiori app today, but I can go through. Once you get the link, you can go through that. So are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
So first open that so already opened. So here, log on. So enter the username password. What are given the SAP user user ID password? Same thing get enter here. So log on. Okay, because I opened from there also is a problem. I think let's do it again. So user, forgot user ID. The Fiori app. So I'll leave this one because I should give some time to upload load. then only the process will be fast. So let this open. I'll come this, like come again. So let this open, load. Maybe I'll show some concept of the Fiori app. Okay, so I explain the concept part. They will come here again. So see what is Fiori? You can see here to see what is Fiori. So basically, web browser.
Just I am asking one question here.
Okay.
So earlier in our initial classes, people were struggling to get a old GUI view, right?
Yeah.
So is it the same logon now you are getting, or that is different?
No, that you go for this one. Go for customize local layout. Local layout.
Yeah, that is okay.
Go for options. Then go for this one, visual design.
Yeah, that is I'm clear. So just I am asking. So after login with Fiori, the view is different, right? And when we initially log in this SAP S/4HANA, that was showing the view with the Fiori, or it's what different something?
No, system is always going Fiori. System is always in Fiori. This is not related to this. This is only the we are GUI screen theme. That's the this, yeah. It's not related to the Fiori app here. Fiori will open once you put the T code here.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll give the concept of the Fiori app. Then I'll show in the Fiori app itself. So you can see what's over is a Fiori overview. So this later will come again. Let's explain some of the things later. Now we are going to only for the sales documents. For that I have to show the Fiori. We'll come back and do some more conversion concept here. So we have the Fiori apps. So there are different Fiori apps are there, and technology, architecture, front end and server and launchpad. So yeah, architecture. This is the Fiori end to end from the start to till the end. You can do all the translation Fiori app. So I think open now. So this is a Fiori app. So we will get all the apps here we are having. So these are all tiles. These are all tiles. Okay, so these are apps. We have so many apps are there. Suppose you want to create sales order, type the sales order here, type sales order. You get a lot of options for sales order apps. Okay, I should wait some more time. Still loading. So we'll wait for some more time. I'll go for a concept, then we'll come back again here. Because the front end and the web is web browser will take some time to load.
And one more question. So if suppose we are running from the URL,
okay.
So is it SAP installation is required, or without SAP also we can run that Fiori?
So yeah, it should have that in the system. It should have in the system. It should be linked with the SAP system, S/4HANA system.
Okay, suppose
so directly from anywhere else you can't link to that. You should have the SAP system, S/4HANA system. Then we can connect with that link. Okay. So there'll be a lot of options to in the Fiori. You can discover some details like getting the reports or want to know something detail. You can for discover option. You can plan your sales and configure the sales. Like there's so many options are there. And the Fiori technology will come to what is Fiori technology. And the Fiori can be used to S/4HANA, Business Suite, and other products. Some of the other products like other add-ons, you can use the Fiori app. Okay, so basically, if you want some advantage or some special thing about Fiori is it's a role-based. So basically, role-based. So role-based means each user will get a role. Each user will get a role. So role will be role assigned to them. But if it's a sales employee, he will have a role assigned to him, like what are transactions he can do. We can see from the Fiori episode. That's some problem. Not opening. It's open. So I'll come back and I will show that when you open the Fiori, I'll show everything there. So basically, it's a role based. So every user will be assigned a role. So the role can be made pleasant for the user, giving some, because a lot of options, making the like dark theme, like so many options are there, like which are things he is using, we can assign the role to them. So they can only work on only on those roles. So other roles they will not be able to use. Okay, so you can, as a user, as an employee from the client side, they can design the Fiori for themselves. So whatever the requirement, we can map in the Fiori user role. You can map the user role, and you can decide how to work with the Fiori as a user. Okay, then adapt it. So you can the Fiori adapts to multiple use cases and devices. You can the Fiori can be configured in any system, any gadget. So you can there you can get access to the Fiori app. Okay, and this so yeah, provides one transparent and a good experience to the user, and it's very simple. So you need not go for the need not search for the T code and all. There's no T code. For example, I told sales order. When I type sales order, there are all the apps related to sales orders come. You can show all the 44 apps for sales order. These are different sales order apps. You get more here. All these apps related to the sales order, like reporting, everything comes under this tab. This app, sales order app, has all these options. We have the say due for delivery, sales order due for delivery. So all these like so many things are there. Okay, you can get the report. All the reports. The different reports are there. Different reports are there. Okay, suppose you want to make a new sales order from the Fiori, you can go for this option. Great. So I click somewhere.
Can we create our own tiles in the Fiori Launchpad?
Yeah, you can get own tiles also. You can get own tiles also. Also later that part. So now we are concerned only with the sales documents. So let us go for the Fiori configuration detail. That will show how to make the tiles center. So this is a sales order. That's how the sales order. So go for, so I downly clicked on that one. So you want to make a sales order from the VAC round. What we are using the VAC round can be used from here without take code. You can use the transaction. This is a report. This is a report. Incoming sales order flexible overview. These are report. These are all reports. So you can see all the reports here. So I want to open the VAC round. So the create option, different options are there. You can which one you want, you can use it in the process. So this is a regular node. What you are is the standard system GUI. This is the VAC around here. You'll get the same window. Okay, so I'll come to slave and so we'll do the integrated building from the Fiori. So let it be open here. We'll do it. I'll show some concept about the Fiori. Okay, so it is a coherent symbol. So it's very simple for user to use Fiori. So now you don't need too much time for training for the end users. The training is very less required now because they don't have to use the T code directly. They type the transaction in the window, Fiori window. They can get access to the any type of transaction. So this is very simple for the user. So now the training can be limited to maximum 10 to 12 days. We can limit the training for the end users. In earlier system, we did months of training for the end user. In Fiori, it is very less. And as of now, the user customers, clients are using still ECC. So they have to convert into S4HANA before 25. So 25 is given by the SAP. So they have to go for S4HANA. So that is they will get some more improvements of Fiori app by that time. Okay, so you got as a consultant as of now, you got to know the T code also, because some customers still have ECC. We got to learn the know the T code also. Okay, so as of in the Fiori, there's no need for T code. So that you can type the translate from here. You want to inquiry, type inquiry, it will come here. So you can go manage inquiry. That comes from manage inquiry. It will come down.
Shekhar, sorry to disturb. One question.
Okay.
Through this Fiori, can we also do the configuration,
That
or
is
it is
not,
only end
yeah.
user?
So some of the configuration is that, but actually if you see the S4HANA, so 80% data, 80% settings are functionalities coming from the ECC only, The S4HANA, 80% settings are coming from ECC only. So without ECC, you cannot land S4, you cannot use S4HANA. So without ECC, you cannot get S4HANA, because still ECC systems are taken in the S4HANA. So SAP is planning to completely come to S4HANA by 2025. So they are working on that. As of now, without the ECC, you cannot have the S4HANA. Okay, so some of settings. So most of the transaction available in the Fiori, but the standard IMG settings, some of the IMG settings are in the Fiori, not all. So further we go to the IMG only. Okay.
Thanks.
Okay. So if you click manage service, you will go to all the inquiries. You can make a new inquiry from here also. These are inquiry apps. For inquiry, these are apps. So all the apps, so you can see all the inquiry documents. You can make an inquiry from here. Create an inquiry, make an inquiry. This also will go to the same our word screen. Word screen, a new what is that? Interface. So you can say same thing will come. Whatever is in the standard system, same will come for Fiori also. Okay, so we'll go through some topics about Fiori. So delightful for the end user, it's very delightful to use the Fiori. So not like the earlier system that is very boring. So this Fiori makes a delightful experience for the end user. So in the Fiori launchpad, so this is a launchpad. What is in the that where you are opening the Fiori, there's a launchpad. So there you can use the app launcher. You can use the tabs from the tiles. So these are the tiles. These are the different tiles. So what I showed earlier, I showed a lot of different apps I showed you. So these are different apps. So these are different apps here. Okay. So they can make a tile. So the tile also I'll show later. Making the tile I'll show later. So these are different apps. These are different apps. So you can have the analytic labs also in the S1. So this also is once you do some transaction in the SD model, then I'll come here and show the analytic labs also. That's basically reporting apps with the deep analysis. So you can use EKP, the key performance indicator you can use in the analytic labs. So this I'll see later. This configuration for Fiori also later part. We are now concerned only about the REST related Fiori. We are there's a front end server. There's a front end server, and then there's a so you can I'll get some details here. So that's a front end. So there are so you can see there are three types of apps here. There are three types of tabs in the Fiori. We have three types of apps. One is the transactional apps like making order inquiry. That's a transactional, and fact sheets. We'll get some details. We want some particular point of time. We want to see the customer details. What is code? What is name? How many transactions he done? Like that, we want some fact sheets. So the apps can be transactional or can fact sheets. If you want to know some facts about the customer or material, you can use fact sheets. We have analytic labs. We have the analytic labs also. Okay, so analytic labs we'll see later. Once you do some transaction, then I'll show the analytic labs also. Fact sheet, also how to configure the fact sheet. So that's that I'm taking a separate session. With the fact sheet, analytics and all, a separate session I'll take that. And these are transactional, so sales or delivery billing. And fact sheet, these are the details of fact sheet. Is the drill down reporting. Fact sheet will go to the very minute detail. Will go for the reporting functionality. And we can maintain main one sheet, one main fact sheet, and we can link it with the related fact sheet. For example, we want to see the sales order or the customer master data. First, we'll show the one general sheet, fact sheet. It will be having so many sub fact sheets. So you can again see the detail from the related fact sheets. And you can go through the transfer labs also. Using the fact sheet, you can go through the transfer labs also. And from the launchpad, you can search for the facts. You can go for search option and other option from the analytical. Everything goes from the Fiori. So search menu. This is a search menu. This is the search menu. This is a search option. This is a search option. This is a search option. Okay. So that one. So it's going here now. Yeah. Here. So this is a different fact sheet. It's analytical. So analytical basically is a role-based real-time integration of the business operation. So at any point of time, if the management wants to know some detailed information, you can go for analytical. So they can see the graph and all. Using the analytical app, they can plan their sales. So it provide a real-time information from the whatever front end browser, whatever data, so heavy value of data, we can have a real-time information on that. And you can, using the analyticals, you can go further, you can analyze the KPIs. Some details are less. So then SAP, the S4HANA Fiori uses a SAP UX strategy. It is using the SAP UX strategy. Okay, so these are different architecture. We got the web, we got the Fiori client. As a developer, developer can get access to this. This is a cloud platform, can be linked with cloud platform as well as S1HANA cloud here. It can link to our on-premise. So you can connect to cloud platform. It can be S1HANA cloud or SAP cloud platform. And so on-premise, we are having only on-premise. So there will be front-end server, and we have Fiori apps. We have the OData services, and S4HANA business suite. So already know business suite. That's a combination of the SAP, ERP, CRM. SCM like that, together they are called business suite. So on-premise can access to the Fiori app. All these app products can access to Fiori app. So if you see the end server deployment, so there's some details about here. So given here, so it's a standalone deployment. It can be standard deployment, or it can be embedded deployment. So I can configure business suite also. You can configure mobile. And mobile services also. But we need a configuration path. If you want to link the Fiori in the mobile, we need the configuration from the asset administrator. So these are components in the Fiori. So it's basically using the UIs, user interface. Okay, so that's a technology card. So some SAP U15. So it's basically considered a gateway server. So basically NetViewer. So that you can see, I'll explain here. So this, we see the front end. See the front end. This is the front end. This is so the S4HANA configures server Fiori through NetViewer gateway. The front end server for the HANA is there's a NetViewer gateway that will connect the Fiori with the NetViewer gateway. So basically, above front end server contains all the UI components to connect with the NetViewer gateway. So front end is NetViewer. Back end is there's a above backend server used for the Fiori app. Okay, and if you see the architecture is a web dispatcher. So that will take care of the Fiori architecture. Okay, and the strategies, the strategy SAP UX strategy. The strategy used the Fiori is UX strategy. So basically it's based on the user experience. UX means user experience. So that will give you so that's a overall experience for the end user. Knowing about using the product or website, they can get to the UX technology. Okay, then we have WS maybe in either mobile device, tablet, or desktop, or laptop. All these options can are there for the Fiori. You can get come to the Fiori also, mobile also. So basically used for it'll be very useful for the management people. So when they are during holiday or they're not in office or at home, so they can still connect the SAP through mobile. They can give the approvals or make decision using the mobile also. Okay. So in the if you take the UX strategy, that basically is basically there are three things are there. One is new means whatever new is coming, the users can get access to that. There's a new provides, so you can so yet to build. They can test the apps also again, analytical apps you can test here, and you can renew the existing application, renew that. You can modify and use that also, and you can enable the use enable the customer, so they can use any of software. So whether you so with that which business scenario they want to use the software for as for Fiori, they can decide on that. So these are some of the technical details about the Fiori, and we have the one we have the architecture for HANA XS Spine, XS Spine engine. So that's for used for the architecture HANA XS. That's the engine used for running analytical labs. You need the HANA XS engine. Okay, then what is the HANA XS? That based on the HANA Live app content for business suite. So all the technical terms, and we have the KPI model in the HANA XS. Okay, some details about the Fiori. We'll do some transactions now. I'll show in the Fiori what I did in the earlier stage from inquiry till delivery. We do from the Fiori. So first we'll go for inquiry. We'll start the inquiry. So I type inquiry. I type manage inquiry. Type manage inquiry. Only INQ is enough. Manage. So INQ is enough. We'll get the manager sales inquiries. Sorry. So these are already created inquiries, not from a company. So for the whole database, also inquiries showing. So you want to know want to see the detail, you can click on here. Click on this option, you can go for the details also. If you open this, you open the details for inquiry. So to make a new inquiry, go for create inquiry. Click on the create inquiry. The inquiry type, so same thing, whatever the same in the front end, same thing will come here also. So INC inquiry, so taken, so company code, sales organization, again the TRGS. Let's search from here also, then TR is also TR, TRGS, this TRG. My same company I use in the Fiori. So the details, now click on continue. Okay, so come sales on TRGS. Click on continue. So this same skin, what the skins you are seeing the standard system, you can see the same thing here. Sold to party, everything is detailed same thing only. So go for the sold to party. That for not again search here. You can how to search in the Fiori. So I can see you can get the details like that to search for the. So we are not getting the regular search option here. Different here in the Fiori. So you get the sales transaction. You can enter any of the details here and click on go button. So these are filters. These are all our filters. These are all our filters. So these are all filters. Further filter you can do here. You can hide filters, and this is the one can make a new filter, I think. So you can go for this one. Okay, so that option. Some of the apps will get make your own filter also. Here is not there. Some of the apps will get you can get one filter. Like this, you can get a one filter. Okay, now we'll go for the sales transaction. Already TR is there. Click on go button. So these are the customers. These are customers. So I'll take one of the customer. We'll take the same 402. Click OK. So now we have the sold to party. So can go for press enter first. Click for enter first. Okay, now we got the same screen. Sold to party, ship to party. So item overview. So what are seeing the Fiori, the same thing in the standard system, same thing only. So now we can call the old system, the water screen we are seeing that we can call it GUI. This you can call a GUI screen, and that you can call a Fiori app. So now once you open Fiori, this screen you call a GUI screen, and graphical user interface GUI, and this is the Fiori screen. Okay, so now search for material. So you can go for a, so already we have the sales transaction. You can either material description, otherwise you can click go also. Because already we are here in the sales transaction distribution channel. You can go for go option. You get all the materials in my company. So this is my material. Already used the material. Click OK. I need another 10 items. Customer needs another 10 item. Press enter. Again, so price can be missing. So the price can go from here. So we are not having in that header like going for the item or item, click on the button. That's not available in the Fiori. You can go for this option. This is for display item details. So select and go for item details. So item details, what I see in the old system, because same you can see here. Okay, this shipping details. Can go back. Okay, go for this back. Okay, nice material. Then this is the create item. You can make a new item from here. Create item is more line. You can make more line. So this is the delete item line position. This is the select all. This is a deselect all. This is a quick check item availability. This is the display availability. This is a schedule line. Item condition. So the item condition coming here, not in the item that it need not go. From here, check the box and go for the conditions, item condition. You can see the item conditions here. So you can get that. You can go for PR00, that is missing. So PR00, the price is 1,000 rupees. Okay, we got the pricing now. Again, go back. So this NQ document, you can all the details are there. Go for the value from date. From 23. Till some future period. Okay, so I got this one. The first customer also can enter that. Entering 2404 2023. First day, you can put today's date. Okay, so you want to see what is item category, you can go for this one, go for the, so here you get item details, go for item details. Display item details. You can go for the schedule lines or item overview, go for shipping, you can see shipping information here. Shipping. You can mention the store location here. And my shipment already assigned here. Okay. So now you can save this and click other options already there. You can check the other options. You can go for save option. You can save the NQ document. So you can schedule the schedule lines. You can schedule lines here. You can save this now. So made a NQ document. Made a NQ document. But NQ in the as for Fiori app. Made NQ in the Fiori app. So you can copy the quotation. We'll go through the whole process from the Fiori app. So next is quotation. You can type here manage quotation. Manage quotations. This quotation we got these options. Can go for manage sales. There are quotations for the purchase also. That separate quotation. Our customer quotation from here. Manage sales organization quotations. So here also you get all the quotation, already done quotations. If you want to create quotation, click on again, create quotation. So everything is already there. So quotation type is QT. This company code is Relomnis, my common organization. That is TRGS. Okay. Either you can continue, click on continue to make a quotation manually. To copy from the inquiry, click on create the reference. To copy the inquiry, click on create the reference. Same thing again. So again, the inquiry number again says from here. To search with the filters, these are the filters for the quotation search option, customer search option, inquiry search option. You can try the filter also. So I'm able to see making new filters for inquiries. I think it's not available for the quotation and the inquiries. So click on, so you can continue with the go option to search for the inquiry. So there are 3 inquiries. So 3 customers. So we'll take the customer 402. So it's showing the from the earlier thing is showing the 3 lines here. So okay here. Inquiry. I have 3 inquiries. I made 2 more inquiries. So it says for latest inquiry. This is a inquiry earlier made by me earlier. So number latest one you can see here by number. So here. So it is 160, 58, 59, 60. 160 last one. Go, click OK. Is the inquiry number, copy. So the document here, inquiry document. So the pricing missing, go for this one, go for conditions. Because you did not make that pricing distribution properly, so it's, I had to use condition. Yeah, every time you have to enter that. So item conditions. So again, PR00, get 1,000 rupees. Okay, now go back. Like you can say the other details also. You can go for other details also. You say this. So we made a quotation from the Fiori. So it's also incompletion. Click on edit button. You get like this. You get the incompletion log. You can take your thing. So you can first quotation add to date. So go for complete data. Click on complete data. So quotation add to date here. Okay, so try to again click on this edit next data. This is edit next data. Select the gross weight and net weight. That data only one. So go for complete data. 100. Then next data. So now the second one. So some 98. Again, edit next data. So that's for income terms. So give here 4B and place also mentioned here as Pune. I'll try to edit next data. So it's determined continue. The log is complete, document is complete now. Save this. We had a quotation from the sales inquiry. Okay, so next you can start with the continue with the sales order. Next we can continue with the sales order. So again type here sales manage here no need for manage here the description is different. Type sales order. Type sales order. Order. You'll get all the wraps related to the sales order. So it is slow today. But in real time, with the help of the server configuration, the Fiori HANA database, it will have more speed, which will be high in the real time scenario. I got stuck here. Yeah, not responding. Screen is not responding. So I click close on those screens. Wait for some time. Okay, opened. Go for all the 47 apps related to sales order. So here you can go for so the sales order. So double sales order. So that's still the inquiry only. Okay, still open. The 47 now clicked is still opening. Tell you, once you open Fiori, leave that like that for 5 minutes. So then the whole process will be a little more faster. So if you start immediately after the Fiori opening, Fiori Launchpad opening, Launchpad, then it will give problem throughout the process. So always be little gentle with the Fiori. So initially you will wait for 5 minutes to load everything, then go for the transactions in the Fiori. Yeah. Because I opened again, it got delayed now. It got slow now. Okay, this is sales order views apps. So once we made the delivery, we'll come back and can see here some more report from the sales here. Okay, so we'll go for create sales order. That's not available. Go for more options, show more to get the remaining apps. So we'll search for VA7, the app for VA. So there are different ways to make the sales order. Go for some more options are to make a sales order. That will be a different screen there. So our thing is this one, VA7. So again, the order type will be under OR1. Because the OR is not available in this system, we are only OR. OR1 is not available. So OR is not available, we have only OR1. Still taking time. We'll do OR only. So I'll change this to TRGS. Again, we get option continue or copy with the grain quotation. You can copy from inquiry quotation or continue with the manual creation. So we'll go for reference. We'll copy the quotation. Again with the filter option. So already TRG said go for go. So this latest one, last one is 978. First one is the 978. Already selected. Okay. Click and copy. So everything is already there. Try to save this one. So nothing is more here. Everything is, so delete planting mention, that is TRGP. And check the shipping point also. Go for here. Item details. So reference asking. So here backspace will not work. Here type only. Backspace will not work here. So 24/04/2023. Reference date. Okay, so it's coming here also. You can tab use scan. So go for 23, 24, make it 24. Okay, so now you can enter. Now try to save. Sorry, I did not use that. Okay, check with that. So it's a warning message coming. So we are check the shipping point. Shipping point, we get assigned that. The details again. So the shipping, under shipping. Solid. So that will come under. So here item details, we got the option. Where is that shipping point? Site overview. Here, so it's all where the warning message there over shipping. It's already shipping only. No, it's in sales view. Yeah, shipping is not open. So it's dark in this one. Learning plant, it's already there. Okay, so go for, we'll take save option now. There's some more options here. I will save this one. So say save, so edit option. In completion log. So I'm going to take here, complete data. That is FOB. And the dimension is Pune. Then again edit next data. Continue. So take a cross rate. Complete data. 100. So maintain 98. Exit next data. Then now save this one. Made an order from the quotation document. So we complete the sales order also. So then inquiry quotation order. Next to delivery. So again type here. So you can type here delivery. Type delivery. So again go for the 47 apps are there for delivery. So I wanted to show the report also, it's very slow. Okay, so got that now. So there are so many options for delivery document. So our thing is this one, create order with order reference, create order delivery with order reference. So you can see all the options here. Go for again more show more options, get so more option here. So you can see the report also, like my sales are due for delivery. So which are documents they are waiting for sales order delivery, you can see here. So click on this one, you can see the wait for delivery. So you can go for the search option, go search option. So give the so here. Okay, I'll come to this later one. So I'll go for the delivery creation only first. So make the delivery document with order reference. This is the one, create order delivery with order reference. So one is without order, this without order reference, this with order reference. Give the shipping point, order is order number, latest order number is come. We want search for here, order number, latest order number, or particular order number. So here the sales organization, that is GSS, and my company, sorry, TRGS, and my customer is 402, and go for go, click on go. So this is the get the order number here. 978-977. So we'll take 978. Okay. And we have the shipping point. That is TRGH. Go for continue. Okay, so these are AG. What is the error? So order number. Okay, this is the TRG is correct only. So order number. Here, GS. We'll take document OR1. That is OR1. So go for go. So no value for the selection. It's not taking. So order number. Okay, try it. For AG. Okay, so AG is AG missing the AG is the. So yeah, that's it. We're able to do this one. Zero. number I don't know. So go option. So this is sales doc. I somewhat that I filter was giving wrong message in wrong selection. So 5394. So 5394 document number. Okay. Now press continue. So no schedule for delivery second date. Current delivered. So I think we'll go for the sales order change option. So sales order something missing. Maybe the shipping value is missing in the sales order. So go for the. I'll go here for the sales order overview. Order. We got to display, go for all the options here. So I'll go for change mode, check what is missing there. So let it 11:50. We have only 10 more minutes. We'll complete this one, then we'll. So any question from you before complete finish? Do you have any want to clear any doubts or previous classes? Anything is there from your side?
Not at present. Once we are able to launch that Fiori,
Okay.
if we.
So whatever the earlier things, customer master material, all of you, are you trying to make a business partner settings and the material master data? Have you tried that one, any of you?
Material master data is not yet tried, but customer half is
Okay.
done.
Okay. What
If there-
yeah. So
If
whatever
there
others.
is any,
Yeah.
sorry.
So okay. So any doubts you can clear in the classes. You can try today.
Yes, yes.
And what are things that we can discuss tomorrow.
Sure.
And what are others? Are you practicing others? Are you able to practice?
So we also have created the enterprise section and the BP.
Okay.
So next part will be material. So we will try that one also, and then we'll create one cycle. Yeah.
Yeah. So try today and come to the cycle so that tomorrow we'll continue with the new topic. Okay. So I'll try this again. So others also please practice. Otherwise, otherwise it will overlap. It will be difficult for you. Always practice at the same day. Practice the things what it learned in the classes, but it will be good for you. Still opening.
Yes, Shekhar, I have one question regarding Fiori apps.
Okay.
So these Fiori apps, like these are all inbuilt apps, or these were developed by any developer? Like,
So it can be
suppose this display sales order, change sales order, create sales order.
Yeah.
These
So
kind.
that the above person can develop these apps. They can develop that app.
But initially, the Fiori will not have any apps. Like, suppose.
So by default apps are there. If you want to include more app, you can use the development for that.
Okay, there are few inbuilt apps.
Yeah, it's a lot
Apart
of
from if you want a new one, then that needs to be developed.
Correct. You can develop your own app from the.
And we can also execute the reports as well in Fiori.
Yeah, there are a lot of reports available. So mainly the Fiori can be more what's that dot name for the reporting purpose, analytical report. You can do all the drill down reporting using the Fiori. A lot of reports available.
And we can also, go to the tables like.
Tables, I think, so I'll check you. I'll tell you about that. So it's not the direct level from you can't find the table directly from here. So. Okay. Yeah, so I'll show how to do that. Check the tables. But still we are getting is not fast.
So most of the options from that login, SAP login, which we use every time. So all these features are available from Fiori apps.
Yeah, also available Fiori apps. Available in the Fiori app. Yeah. Okay, so we'll go for change options. We'll go for the sales orders. From there, I think we can open the sales order. So what are seeing when you open in the SAP login, what are things you are getting? Same thing. So which are available in the Fiori, we can see all the documents there. Okay. So to party is I see your sales order. So 402. Of a document. Can't find this one. So I want to go for change option. Can filter by material also. So I'm not getting the result here. So initially you had to find out all the tabs like such as this Windows is the latest version. Earlier I was another version in my server. So some of these are new here in the Fiori app. So go for I'll check this one. So I can go for sales orders. So give that. So I can remove this one. We will check that also. Go for sales document. You can search here for sales order, customer, 402, and sales foundation. That is TRGS. I will take the optional sale document type. I take here. Try with without. I will try this one. Go. So these are two things. So that is again it's a wrong thing. So not this one. Actually, it's a wrong one. So we have to filter by document type. I'll try again. So we enter sales office. TRGS. TRG. That try again. Just now we saw that. No, again not showing now. Transaction group we take here. So that is sales order. 0 is a sales order. So 0 sales order. So category group is 0, not that one. So go. So that is 5394. Okay. Go for execute. Okay, so I got some. So we'll do one thing. So you can do the Fiori app installation. You can do that one. So I'll continue this tomorrow. This delivery and billing will continue tomorrow. Okay, so you can do this one. So you can do it till this one. You can try the delivery invoice also. So what I done today, we had inquiry quotation order from the Fiori. The delivery and billing I will continue tomorrow. Meanwhile, you get your Fiori access. Tomorrow we'll continue with this flow. We'll come with the billing will complete. And also we'll solve the account information error also. Before going for further topics, we'll solve the account information. When I made a billing document, I got error, account information error. We'll solve that also. Then we'll go for the credit management. So tomorrow topic, first we'll see the delivery billing from the Fiori. Then account information error, we'll solve the account information error. Then we'll go for the credit management. This Fiori app later one more class will take our Fiori app, fully about the Fiori app, like how to make the reports, how to make the fact sheet, analytical apps, everything, how to make tiles, everything is also in the following classes. Okay, so tomorrow we'll plan. Tomorrow we'll plan only the remaining the Fiori apps and the credit manager will see tomorrow. Yeah, we'll close now. We'll meet again tomorrow morning. Okay. So thank you everybody. Thank you everybody.
Thanks,
Have a
boss.
nice day. Yeah.
Bye.